Do you also want to send attractive WhatsApp messages to unlimited contacts but stop yourself from doing it because you don't want to risk getting your WhatsApp business number blocked? Then this video is exactly for you because today I'm going to show you a powerful WhatsApp broadcast feature that allows you to create attractive broadcast campaigns, select your contacts and send your messages at scale using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, Pabbly Chatflow works with the official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so you can manage your broadcast campaigns through the official WhatsApp business messaging setup. So whether you want to send camp invitations, special offers, announce a new product, or anything else, you can create your campaign from one place instead of manually opening every single WhatsApp chat. And as you can see, I have already created one campaign before, and this type of WhatsApp message is going to be delivered to my contact. Look at this message, how attractive it is. I have added one image related to my campaign details as well as the registration link too. And this is only for the example. You can easily replace the content based on your own broadcast campaign. And in this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step from creating your broadcast campaign to adding in attractive WhatsApp images, selecting your contacts, and finally sending your broadcast. But before we start, let's quickly understand what the broadcast feature actually is. Basically, the broadcast feature allows you to create a single campaign, select your contact list, and send your messages to multiple contacts from one place. You can use it to send us special offers, important updates, announcements, and much more. So instead of manually opening every single WhatsApp chat and sending the same message again and again, you can simply create your campaign once and let Pabbly Chatflow handle the rest. So now let's see how we can create a broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and will take you to the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here simply do the sign up process and create your free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this broadcast feature. And this page is going to be appeared in front of you. See, I have already created some campaigns before, and for creating a new one, you need to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, you need to select the broadcast type from here that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Enter the name of the broadcast. I'll interest customer updates campaign. Next, you need to select the audience. It will provide you two options as choose existing contact list and upload a CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? See, CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you. See, this is the file where I have added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number as it is in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I have added my customer record inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding it, you need to download the file in a CSV format because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. So if you like this tool till now and create some mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get a high discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. For uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded my contacts file here. So I have already uploaded my contacts file previously. So I'm directly selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After successfully selecting the file, you need to scroll down and click on this import and use these contacts button. Here I am going to use the audience as choose existing contact list. After that, I'm selecting the contact list from this drop down. I'm selecting this leads list here. Now for creating a contact list, you need to go inside this contacts feature of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this plus option. I have already created multiple contact lists before, and this is the leads list that I am using right now only for the testing purpose. After that, the refined audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from this drop down. I'm not selecting. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. Moving forward to the most important part where you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the message content in this field. But regular message can only be sent if the 24-hour conversation window is active. Means the customer has already messaged you on your WhatsApp within the last 24 hours. If the 24 hours conversation window is not active, then you are not able to send a regular message. For that case, you need to choose the pre-approved template message. After that, click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template from here. I am selecting this one. See, I have already created this template before for the health camp. I am using this only for the testing purpose. Now with this template message, I want to add one image too. For that, I am clicking on this option. For uploading a new image, you can click on this add new image button and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, I'll click on this done button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be delivered to the customers. Now for creating these types of attractive templates, you need to go inside this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a templates inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created multiple templates before. These are the predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. You can create the templates based on your own businesses, add your business data, registrations link, and much more. Once your templates get approved by Meta, you can easily use it wherever you want. Now let's go back to our broadcast setup. See, next we need to test the broadcast. So for testing it, I'm going to enter the contact name here as a test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. Here I have added my number. After that, I'll click on the send test message button and you will see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check my WhatsApp account to see whether I have received this template or not, and you will see I have successfully received the template message on my WhatsApp. And look at this message, how attractive and professional it is related to this business use case. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts immediately, then you can choose this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But I'm going to schedule this campaign for later. So for that, I'm selecting this option from here. And let's say I want to schedule this campaign on 31st of August at 6 p.m. See, on 31st of August at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. So next we have automatic retry of failed contacts. So you can enable this toggle to automatically send the message to those contacts who didn't receive the message on the first time. So for handling these types of cases, we have this automatically retry failed contacts toggle. You can select the number of retries from here as well as the wait between retries. The input you have select here, based on that, the Pabbly Chatflow will automatically send the campaign message to the failed contact without you doing anything manually from your side. Here I have set the number of retries as 1 and the wait between retries as 12 hours. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. Our broadcast campaign is successfully scheduled. You can see it here. So this is the easiest way to create a broadcast campaign without getting banned from WhatsApp and send message to your unlimited contacts. And as I said, this is just one example. By following the same process, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp broadcast campaign based on your different business use cases and reach to your audience at large scale by using this single tool. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing campaign, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Go and try try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.